Rightio, so for this question, we're going to check if word appears at the start of the string. And if the first characters don't match, then we consider them as matching. So if we take an example 2 here, so we have the word of zip and the string of hippo. And if we exclude the first characters, so we have IP for word and IPPO as the string. And since IP is included towards the start of the string of IPPO, then in that case, we're going to return a word that's towards the front few characters from the string of given word length. So we return HIP. And if none of those are the case, then we're going to return an empty string. So we can start off with this. So if the string length str.length is less than the word.length, if that's the case, then we can't really compare. So we have return an empty string. And then next, we're going to compare the substring of the string starting from the second character. So we have if str.substring from the second character would be 1 until the word length. So we have word.length. And then we have dot equals. So we use dot equals to compare strings. Dot equals to word.substring from the second character. And then, so if the rest of the word matches, then we're going to return str.substring from the first character. So we have 0 until the word length. So word.length. And then we have else. So if the rest of the word does not match, then we have return and then an empty string. And that would be the answer.